In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the year without a summer. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. But did you know this catastrophe inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? Stuck indoors by relentless rain, she crafted her iconic tale. Imagine a world where a single eruption could birth a literary monster. This historical twist shows how nature's fury can spark human creativity. What other masterpieces were born from chaos? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.